Welcome to Joevestor Trades. My name is Joseph, and in today's video, I will be reviewing a trade that I called out that ran for over 100%. Now, originally this trade was supposed to be a swing, but the move happened quicker than I thought, and I turned it into a day trade. If you go on to enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. So now that we have the chart put up on LVS, I can take you guys what I was going through and why I decided to enter on this play. As I stated before, this was originally supposed to be a swing trade, and for most of my swing trades, I play them on the 4-hour time frame. And LVS throughout the past month and a half have been trading within this clear range of support levels and resistance levels, and this was pretty easy to spot out. So I drew out this area of resistance, or supply zone as you can call it, and as LVS started to approach this level, it gave me the go-ahead to enter in on these puts. And here's where I would have set my stop loss if LVS decided to break above this range and trade higher. As you can see, my stop loss was about $1 above this range, so I was risking about a $1 move to the upside, or for a loss, for $2 to $3 move down to back to its support levels. So it was a pretty good risk to reward ratio. And if we move down to the lower time frame, the 1 minute, and I switch to my day trading studies, if we go back to January 6th, which is when I played this, and let me switch back to this, we can see throughout most of the day, LVS was trading in that area of resistance that I drew on the higher time frame. Plus, it was also around upper VWAP throughout the day. And if we go over to Robinhood, this is when I decided to buy these contracts. January 6, 2021 at around 1 o'clock p.m. and I got filled for an average cost of $67. If we go back to the chart, we can see that I got filled around here at 12.58, right in that range that I drew on the higher time frame. And then I also alerted it out to the Discord group, LVS 58 put, and I bought next week expiration contracts for an average of $67 per contract. Not too long after I called this play, it started to move in my direction, and we were quickly profiting from this play. As you can see, about an hour or so later, LVS starts to fall, along with the majority of the market because of the news that came out on Thursday with the Capitol. And as soon as I seen this, I started to scale out of my positions, as every trader should do. So I sold one here at about 232, and then you can see I started scaling out of these positions, and you can see I sold 3 out of 3, 100% return. And a few other members decided to hold this play for another day, and they were actually able to make a little bit more than 100%, because as you see, LVS the next day was lower than the previous day. This was a nice play that I called out because on the higher time frame, you can see that LVS was in this clear resistance level, and it typically got rejected from that level. If I switch back to my swing trading setup, you can see it here, and then let me remove this arrow. LVS is still trading lower, and it's right here at the 200 SMA. Now, I'm looking for a bounce on LVS within the next few days, and we can definitely see that coming up. Let me know what you guys thought about that trade in the comment section down below. One of the things that I do like about options is that you can take advantage of it if the stock goes up or down, and in this example, we made money when the stock went down by buying puts. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and if you want to be a part of the plays that I call out, make sure to check out the Discord down below. See you in the next one.